morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's September 22nd. Hope you have a wonderful day. We got one item here on the economic report, and that is existing home sales for the month of August. So as you can see, we had 5.86 million annualized units for the month of July, and forecast for August was 6 million, and it came in right at expectations. So we had a slight uptick from month over month from July to August, from 5.86 million annualized units all the way up to 6 million. So decent numbers right there. So let's go ahead and jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are mixed. It's kind of taking its cue a little bit from yesterday. We had yesterday with the news that some numbers were up in Europe, including England. There was talk about some renewed lockdowns going on in Europe, and that, of course, will stunt any economic activity, and that is a big concern, obviously, for investors. There's also concerns regards to the politics that are playing out right now between Republicans and Democrats that are going on. Twofold. First, obviously the death of Ruth Bader Ginsburg is now leading to debate about who's going to the next justice of peace will replace her, if it should be wait till after election or done immediately. And we also have, of course, what everybody's waiting for is another round of stimulus, and it doesn't look like anything's going to happen prior to the election. So that is those are some big concerns for investors. However, today we do got Mnuchin here. As you can see, Mnuchin and Powell will be meeting before House Finance Committee, and they will, again, they'll probably hear that from Fed Chair Powell about how important that another stimulus is to try to get things moving along to help the average man out there that that are not able to work, have lost their job, and trying to survive. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the mortgage-backed securities. So what's going on over there? We're up about 2 basis points, which translates to nothing really. It's mortgage rates remain unchanged. As you can see, we lost a lot of the ground we had yesterday. Any gains we had yesterday. So we did have some gains. Obviously, we started the day up higher, ended up closing up. I think it was up 9 basis points. So right now we're up about 2. So we're kind of in the same range what we were yesterday, and no change in pricing. And yields. We are about just above 0.67. We tried breaking below the 100-day moving average. However, that did not bode well. It came right back above it. So right now we are testing the 25-day moving average, and still in the range between the 25-day moving average and the 100-day moving average right now. And as you can see by the wicks, we've been testing both scenarios. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap for the day. Again, the mortgage rates remain unchanged. It's a pretty quiet day so far, relatively. Dow was the only one that was negative territory, where the other indexes were up. Mortgage-backed securities, not much movement going on so far this morning. We'll have to wait and see if the testimony before the House Committee, if that makes any changes in the markets, if there's anything that's said that could alter that or create a catalyst. In any case, if you guys are in the market to refinance or purchase, I'm a loan officer. The company I work with is a national lender. I'm going to leave after this video a link, and also in the description. You can click on that to go and get more information. We got information on different loan programs and anything that might answer your questions. And if, however, it does not answer your questions, my contact information will be there. Please feel free to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in any way possible. We can certainly help you out with any refinance needs, any purchase needs. So if you're you need to get pre-approved, and then so you can buy the next property, we would love to be able to help you out in that scenario as well. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and again, please stay tuned, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.